Grabe, Onyx sweep all competition talaga. Champion again dito sa China naman. Tara, panoorin natin yung interview nila.
The first trip, first journey to be here, yeah.
We like the weather also because it's cold and also the food.
Sorry, I'm not to speak straight to you.
The noodles.
Oh, noodle.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
I wish them very, very good luck so that we can meet again in the international scene.
Congrats, Onyx PH. At syempre, may savage na naman si Kedra.
Domeng, para sa ito.
Kita nyo ba yung mutik pa makiya si Brusco? Congrats, Onyx PH, Paldo!